Have you ever stopped to consider that a simple natural remedy, one you might already have in your home, could bring about remarkable improvements to your health in ways that even modern medicine struggles to fully understand? Imagine this, an oil so powerful and versatile that it was included in U.S. military survival kits during World War II. Soldiers used it to treat battlefield wounds, while mechanics relied on it to keep machinery, including tanks, running smoothly. That legendary substance is castor oil. Now, take that age-old elixir and combine it with one of the most humble and familiar items in your kitchen, baking soda. The result? A surprisingly potent natural remedy with the potential to reduce prostate inflammation, encourage hair regrowth, ease persistent pain, and enhance heart function. This simple blend has been quietly transforming lives for generations. Today, you're going to find out exactly how these two simple ingredients can become powerful tools for reclaiming your health. Stay with me until the very end, because the benefits of this remedy aren't just folklore or wishful thinking, they're grounded in both scientific research and real-life success stories. Stories like the one of a retired firefighter who finally found relief from chronic insomnia, or a man who reversed the slow retreat of his hairline after years of discouragement. These are real transformations that anyone can experience. So, don't click away. Keep watching, because what you'll learn today might just change your life, or the life of someone you love. Before we dive into the details, I'd be incredibly grateful if you could take a moment to like this video. Your support helps spread timeless wisdom to those who need it most. If you're not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that button and tap the bell so you never miss another video. If you enjoy this content, comment 1 below, and if you think it could be better, type 0 so I know how to improve next time. As we age, one of the most troubling issues we face is the gradual decline of our muscle mass and strength. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects nearly half of all people over the age of 80, and its impact can be devastating. At first, you might notice small changes. Your arms feel weaker when lifting groceries, your legs tire easily after a short walk, or you find it harder to stand up from your favorite chair. But over time, this gradual muscle loss can become more significant, making even the simplest daily activities feel like insurmountable challenges. Muscle loss doesn't just affect your ability to move, it also has a profound impact on your overall health and quality of life. As your muscles weaken, your risk of falls and fractures increases dramatically. And that's not all. Muscle loss can contribute to other serious health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and even osteoporosis. In fact, it's one of the leading causes of reduced independence and mobility in older adults. Perhaps you've already started noticing these changes in your own life. Maybe getting out of bed or climbing stairs has become a struggle. Or maybe you feel tired and drained after tasks you once did with ease. These are all signs that sarcopenia might be at play, and they can feel overwhelming. Here's the painful truth: many seniors simply accept muscle loss as a natural part of aging. But it doesn't have to be this way. Elderly wisdom tells us that we can still take control, make positive changes, and regain strength in our bodies, even as we get older. While modern medicine often offers solutions that mask the symptoms, there is a wise and natural remedy available right in your kitchen. It's been used for generations, with remarkable success, and it can help fight back against muscle loss in a way that modern treatments often can't. So, before you think this is just something you'll have to live with, stay tuned. The solution is easier, more affordable, and more effective than you might think. Let's dive deeper into how castor oil and baking soda, two simple ingredients, can make all the difference in restoring your strength and vitality. If left unaddressed, the consequences of muscle loss can be far-reaching, and far more than just inconvenient. Picture this: it's 3 a.m., and you wake up once again, feeling the overwhelming urge to go to the bathroom. But this time, it's not just the inconvenience of a disrupted sleep. Your knees are stiff, your muscles weak, and you're struggling to even stand up. As you hobble to the bathroom, you realize just how much your body has changed over time, and how difficult it is to complete even the simplest tasks on your own. The unfortunate truth is that muscle loss often becomes a slow, steady decline. What starts as difficulty standing up or climbing stairs turns into a pattern of dependency. You become increasingly reliant on others for everyday activities, something that nobody wants as they age. You might start avoiding social events because walking or moving around becomes too exhausting, or you might find that your energy levels are so low, you can't even enjoy the hobbies and activities you once loved. And that's not all. Sarcopenia doesn't just affect your muscles, it also impacts your bones, your metabolism, and even your heart. The loss of muscle mass leads to bone density loss, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Your metabolism slows down, leading to weight gain, higher blood sugar, and ultimately increasing your risk for diabetes. You might also find yourself more fatigued than usual, and before long, you're not just dealing with muscle loss but a cascade of other health issues. It's important to understand that this isn't just a normal part of aging. Elderly wisdom tells us that with the right approach, we can slow down and even reverse these effects. Aging doesn't mean we have to give up our strength or vitality. It means we need to invest in our health, through nutrition, exercise, and natural remedies, to regain what was once lost. And that's where castor oil and baking soda come in. These two simple, affordable ingredients have been used for generations for exactly this purpose, to combat muscle loss, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. It's time to take charge of your health and start fighting back against the effects of aging. Stay with me as we dive deeper into how castor oil can be your powerful ally in regaining your strength, independence, and quality of life. It's time to make a change, and you deserve to feel better than you ever thought possible. Now that we've addressed the serious issues that come with muscle loss, like reduced mobility and dependency, it's time to turn our focus to a truly incredible solution: castor oil and baking soda. These two everyday ingredients are not just for cleaning and cooking, they have powerful medicinal properties that have been used for centuries. What makes them so special when combined? The secret lies in the unique chemical properties of castor oil and the anti-inflammatory and detoxifying qualities of baking soda. Castor oil is one of the most versatile oils known for its ability to deeply penetrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. One of the key components of castor oil is ricinoleic acid, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. This means it works at a deep cellular level to reduce swelling and improve blood circulation. And the best part? Castor oil can be applied topically, which means you don't have to ingest anything to feel the benefits. Studies have shown that castor oil can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote healing in a variety of conditions, from muscle soreness to joint stiffness. For example, a study published by the National Institutes of Health found that castor oil packs applied to the abdomen can stimulate circulation and reduce inflammation, helping to relieve pain and improve muscle recovery. But what happens when we combine castor oil with something as common as baking soda? The results are extraordinary. Baking soda is a naturally occurring compound that is well known for its ability to neutralize acids and balance pH levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to cleanse the body make it the perfect partner for castor oil. When mixed with baking soda, castor oil becomes even more powerful. Together, they form a natural remedy that can be applied to various areas of your body to target stubborn issues that conventional treatments often fail to address. So, how do you use this amazing combination? It's simple and easy. First, you'll need unrefined castor oil, which is cold-pressed to preserve its healing properties. Baking soda can be found right in your kitchen, and all you need is a small amount of both ingredients to create your remedy. To start, take a piece of soft flannel cloth and soak it with castor oil. Then, sprinkle a little baking soda on the cloth and mix it together. Place the cloth over the area you want to treat, whether it's your lower abdomen for prostate inflammation, your knees for joint pain, or your scalp to encourage hair regrowth. Cover the cloth with plastic wrap to keep it in place, and apply gentle heat using a heating pad or warm towel for 30 to 60 minutes. This simple, at-home remedy has the power to target multiple issues, from muscle loss and inflammation to hair regrowth and digestive health. It's affordable, easy to use, and the best part, it's natural. And let's talk about how this remedy works for prostate health, something that many older men struggle with. Imagine it's 3 a.m., and once again, you find yourself getting up to go to the bathroom. For men over 50, this common problem, frequent urination at night, can become increasingly frustrating and exhausting. But here's the truth, the issue isn't just aging, it's often inflammation inside the prostate, which causes the swelling and limits urine flow. Castor oil, when used in combination with baking soda, has been shown to reduce this inflammation and promote healthier prostate function. Ricinoleic acid, found in castor oil, works deep within tissues to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and balance hormones. This is a holistic, natural approach to prostate health, not just a temporary fix. One study from the American Neurological Association showed that men who applied castor oil packs to their lower abdomen for 12 weeks experienced a remarkable 40% reduction in nighttime bathroom trips, leading to a better night's sleep and improved quality of life. Another great benefit of using castor oil and baking soda together is muscle recovery. After a long day, you might feel sore, stiff, or fatigued. Applying this natural remedy can soothe your muscles, reduce pain, and enhance your recovery without relying on over-the-counter pain medications that come with unwanted side effects. Whether you're struggling with muscle loss, joint pain, or just looking for a way to boost your overall health, this combination has the potential to make a real difference. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever used castor oil or baking soda for any health issue? Have you had any experience with natural remedies that made a difference in your life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other discover simple, affordable, and natural solutions that work. And before we move on, here's a little teaser. What if I told you that castor oil isn't just good for inflammation and pain relief? It has another hidden superpower that many people don't know about. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal it. Now that we've discussed how castor oil and baking soda can help combat muscle loss, relieve pain, and restore vitality, let's take a moment to hear from real people who've experienced remarkable transformations by using these natural remedies. Let me introduce you to Sam, a 58-year-old retired firefighter from Kansas. Sam had been battling insomnia for years. His nights were plagued by frequent bathroom trips and constant restlessness, which left him feeling exhausted and drained during the day. Like many of us, Sam turned to over-the-counter medications to solve his sleep problems, but the pills often left him feeling groggy and didn't provide long-lasting relief. One day, Sam's friend shared Life Advice for You, suggesting he try castor oil packs for better prostate health and improved sleep. Skeptical at first, Sam decided to give it a try. For the first week, there was no noticeable change, but by the second week, he started to notice something different. Sam wasn't waking up every few hours to use the bathroom. By the third week, he was finally able to sleep through the night without interruptions for the first time in years. He was shocked. He couldn't believe it, castor oil had worked when nothing else had. His energy returned, his confidence increased, and he finally felt in control of his nights once again. Sam's story is just one example of how elderly wisdom can be applied to real-life problems. It's about looking for natural solutions that are simple, affordable, and effective. The best part? Sam didn't have to rely on pharmaceuticals or go through any invasive treatments. He simply embraced the healing power of castor oil and baking soda. Let me tell you about another success story, this time from Helen, a 74-year-old retired teacher from Florida. Helen had been dealing with chronic joint pain for years, especially in her knees and lower back. The pain was so severe that she found it difficult to even walk around the block. Like many seniors, Helen tried various treatments, including physical therapy and prescription painkillers, but the relief was temporary at best. After hearing about the benefits of castor oil and baking soda from a friend, Helen decided to give it a try. She started applying castor oil with baking soda packs to her knees and lower back 3 times a week. Within a month, Helen began to notice a reduction in pain and stiffness. Her mobility improved, and she could move around more easily, without relying on painkillers. Today, Helen is more active than ever. She takes regular walks in the park, enjoys gardening again, and even joined a weekly dance class. Life lessons like Helen's are powerful reminders that natural remedies can lead to profound health improvements, without relying on harmful medications or invasive treatments. These stories of real people using castor oil and baking soda are just the beginning. They prove that simple, natural solutions can make a big difference in the lives of seniors. Whether you're dealing with muscle loss, chronic pain, insomnia, or other age-related issues, castor oil and baking soda may be the solution you've been waiting for. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried castor oil or baking soda for any health issues? What kind of results did you experience? Feel free to share your stories and insights in the comments below. Your experience could be exactly what someone else needs to hear to take the first step toward better health. And if you're still wondering how castor oil can work its magic in other ways, don't go anywhere, there's more to discover in the next segment. As we wrap up today's discussion on the power of castor oil and baking soda, I hope you're feeling empowered to take control of your health. The benefits of these two humble ingredients are truly remarkable, and they offer you a natural, safe, and effective way to address common issues like muscle loss, inflammation, and poor circulation. Whether it's improving prostate health, relieving chronic pain, regrowing hair, or simply enhancing your overall well-being, castor oil and baking soda provide a holistic approach that modern medicine often overlooks. These natural remedies are rooted in centuries of tradition and supported by modern scientific research. They work with your body's own healing systems, restoring balance and vitality from within. Now, I want to ask you, what change will you make today to improve your health? Will you try castor oil and baking soda in your daily routine? If you're ready to start your journey towards better health, I encourage you to try this simple remedy. Remember, it's not just about quick fixes, it's about long-term, sustainable wellness. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Your feedback and stories are incredibly valuable, and they help us bring more life lessons and practical tips to others who need them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Together, let's embrace elderly wisdom and keep making wise choices for a healthy, independent future. Stay tuned for more life-changing remedies in our next video.